Before installation, please check the installation requirements. Some types of toilet as shown in the pictures might not be compatible with this product. Stopcock must be closed during installation. Please check how to close the stopcock beforehand. Please make sure that all parts are included. Depending on circumstances, additional parts might be required. Please prepare a wash bowl, towel, spanner and screwdrivers. Now, let's begin. Close the stopcock to turn off the water supply. Remove the nuts from the seat hinge bolts. Then remove the old toilet seat. Flush the toilet twice to drain all the water out of the tank. When removing the water supply pipe from the stopcock, make sure to place the wash bowl underneath to catch any spilled water. To avoid any damage, the branch fitting must be tightened by hand. Place the O-ring seal into the flexible hose. Then reconnect the hose to the branch fitting. Do not use a spanner to connect, so as not to cause any damage. Insert the mounting bolts onto the base plate and place it over the holes on toilet bowl. Adjust the position of the plate, and tighten it with nuts from underneath. Set the seat to the toilet bowl and slide onto the plate until you hear a click. Connect the open end of the water supply hose to the branch fitting, then connect the other end to the toilet seat. When the installation is completed, you can finally open the stopcock. Tilt the lever forward for rear washing. Spray pressure can be manually adjusted by the lever. Tilt the lever behind for front washing. Let's get clean and green.